Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys accessibility menu setting guys, and today friends video title is how to enable color inversion mode in our phone. Friends, you want to enable your phone color inversion mode settings. So how can you enable it? Today friends I will show you guys in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we enable color inversion mode setting in our phone. Open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting, I scroll it. As you can see this tab of setting, friends, click on guys your phone accessibility setting guys, tap on accessibility, and friends you can see your visibility guys, we will tap here. Friends, again scroll. Friends, you can see color inversion guys, tap here. Friends, you can see guys your color inversion mode setting guys, you want to enable guys, you can enable from this right side icon. After enable guys, your phone color will change guys, the dark theme will on in our phone and the light theme will off. So friends, you can see your color inversion mode setting guys, and friends if you use any videos and in photos, so friends you can see this photo will look like ghost. So like that guy, we can enable guys this color inversion mode setting guys, and we can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to enable color inversion mode setting guys and how to use in Samsung mobile. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.